Thank you, Joshua. Thank you, guys. It's so cool to see your cute, beautiful faces. I can't see the other people in the room, but I could see Esther, Israel, Grace. I see Nadoze, and I see Christopher as well, and 24 others. Of course, I recognize Mrs. Ajayi. Good to see you guys in this room. I am as excited as you are. If you want to, I don't know how to explain it. I was rushing from so many things, from the big dogs to come to the biggest dogs. You know why? Because these dogs are going to be the biggest dogs, because you guys have what I call the power of early beginning. You started earlier than every one of us. Because you have started earlier, there's more chances that you're going to be far bigger than every one of us. Now, age, we cannot do that. When I came in, Esther was showing her coding work, and I watched the last season when I heard the testimonials of people in graphic design, people in coding and stuff. I was very impressed when I saw all those testimonials that the tech school is doing. So for you guys to be able to do what you're doing right now, the future is not just bright. The future belongs to you. And I cannot say anything else but just to commend everyone to say, you know what, don't take this for granted. You know, Dad, Mom has put you in this room, and Mom, they've invested the best thing ever into your lives, because this is a different form of education. The world has changed. Failure to adapt means failure to exist. The world has become what you guys are learning right now. So Dad and Mom are very, very smart to put you into tech school, because they've given you one of the best foundations ever. They've given you something different from the traditional form of education. And of course, for me, it feels like I'm missing out. I've got my boys also, they're into different things, but I must put them into tech school. Actually, let me get them to call my boy in. He's playing games right now. Let me get them to call my boy in to come say hi to you guys. It's not going to play games no more. You must join Esther to code, and join Christopher. And it's going to make new friends with Israel and Grace, because you guys are the powerhouses of tomorrow. So yes, like I was talking about, the power of early beginning. Take advantage of it, because you are far ahead your peers. You are far ahead many things, and it's really going to help you in life. Make sure you take this school as serious as anything in the world, because this is the future of education. What your parents has done, I commend your parents more than even anything else, because they believe in not just now, they believe more in the way, the direction the world is going. And I also want to use this time to commend the chief visionary officer of this academy, a person of Joshua Monaya. Impressive for you to think in this direction. Shows that you have been thinking in the first place, and for that I commend you. I applaud you that you have taken this generation to a different level, that we will only understand what you have done 20 years from now. And I am so impressed that an AYE member, an AYE ambassador, is carrying such innovation and such idea in making the world a better place. On behalf of the entire entrepreneurs in the continent, I want to say congratulations, because you haven't seen anything yet. The brains you have invested in will be your biggest harvest for tomorrow. The investment lies in the brains of many of these innovators, and I commend you for that. On this note, I want to say thank you to everyone. I love you guys. Please take care of yourself. Bye-bye.